There are many situations where I prefer to use a smaller Evernote window containing only the note. For example, when I'm on a call, I keep that note and the Google Meet window side by side. And by the way, did you know that you can pop up the Google Meet conversation? That's what I do all the time. It's perfect for it's compact. I love that. Well, you can do that on Evernote by clicking the three dots at the upper right corner of the note and selecting the option to open that note on a separate window. However, I've been advocating for a shortcut for that since Evernote 10 was released years ago. We need a shortcut. I'm taking a note. All I want to do is just pop up the window. I don't want to drag the mouse all the way up to the corner and go to the menu and then open and pop up that window. Well, if you are a Mac user, there's a workaround. Let me show you. Open Settings, then go to Keyboard and Keyboard Shortcuts, App Shortcuts, and here we'll add Evernote as an app. Evernote. At menu title, write whatever it is the menu that you want to create a shortcut for. In our case, open in new window. Down here, we can set a shortcut, for example, Command O, and that's it. It's a good idea to exit Evernote and reopen it. Now, all you have to do is use the shortcut, Command O, and there you have it. Pretty cool, right? I'd like to thank Colin, another Evernote expert that reminded me of this macOS feature. And being a macOS feature, this is a workaround restricted to people using a Mac. So I'll keep advocating for an Evernote shortcut. Please, Evernote, give us this shortcut. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.